I've had this Dyson vacuum for a few years now, but the original battery was finally on its last leg and I was looking for some different options to replace it. And I came across these, and you can actually use Ryobi, DeWalt, Milwaukee, really any major tool brand batteries on these Dyson vacuums, and it's pretty simple to set up. So in this video, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to install the adapter to use these on your own Dyson vacuum. So to get the old battery out, there are a couple screws that you have to remove in the V6 model. One is right here, and then the other one is down here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pull this red lever here, and then just wiggle this, and then you're going to release it and pull it one more time, and then you can just kind of pull this whole thing off. And once you have that off, you'll see that there is a small Phillips head screw down here that we're going to want to remove. And then next is this screw right here. And once you've got those two screws out, you should be able to pull the battery out just like this. And you can see here with our new adapter that these two match. So I actually originally brought the wrong one, and the V7 has a longer stem on it on the new adapter. So if you have the V6, it's going to be a shorter one, and the V7 has a longer stem on it. And to install the adapter, you're just going to want to slide it into the same place that the battery just came from. And you'll notice on these adapters that it actually does not have a screw hole right here to tie into, but it does have the screw hole on the other side. So you're going to want to reinstall the screw that goes there. And even with just the one screw in here, it does feel pretty sturdy. And next you're going to want to install the dust collection housing back into place. And you just kind of have to wiggle this on here. It's a little bit of a pain, but eventually it will slide back in there. And once we've got that in place, it's time to test out our new adapter. So let's pop a battery in here and see how it works. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. I really hope that you found it helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.